Out comes the old, and soon we'll be in the new. Good God Almighty. Can't wait for this to be gone. All right, getting the ugly out of here. Come along, seatbelts loose. Ripping the TJ out. Oh, that was fun. So now, time to move on with the do. So it looks like Ronald McDonald's been doing some manscaping inside the cab of the truck here. There we go, getting the crap out of here. Wow, what a difference already. Doing the fitment on the seat right now. Getting the brackets set, seeing if we're gonna have to do any drilling or mounting here. But yeah, it's coming together. Oh boy, fun with seat brackets here. Putting in the new seat, and I'm trying to get things figured out before the carpet goes in. All right, well the brackets are in, both sides here. About ready to start dropping some carpet into this bitch. There you guys go. Carpet, seat, badass. Yeah, baby. Look at that. All new carpet. Brand new leather suede seat. Very cool.